Welcome to Social Media Mastery, the complete guide to starting and growing a successful business. In today's digital age, social media has become the leading platform for entrepreneurs to showcase their products and services. So, how can you start and grow your business on social media? Let's dive in. Step 1. Establish your goals. What do you want to achieve through social media? Define your target audience and set clear objectives that align with your business vision. Are you struggling to find your ideal audience for your business? You're not alone. First, start by understanding your product or service. What problem does it solve? Who is it designed for? Knowing the unique value you bring to the table will be essential in finding your ideal audience. Next, do your research. Dive deep into market research to identify the demographics and psychographics of your potential customers. Map out their age, gender, location, interests, and buying habits. This data will help you narrow down your target audience. Now, let's talk about social media. It's a goldmine for finding your ideal audience. Utilize tools like Facebook Insights and Twitter Analytics to gain insights into your current followers. Study what they engage with and learn from their behavior. Don't forget about keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify search terms related to your industry. These keywords will give you a better understanding of what your ideal audience is searching for online. Another effective strategy is to analyze your competition. Who are they targeting? How are they reaching their audience? Study their tactics and learn from their successes and failures. This will provide you with valuable information on how to target your own ideal audience. Lastly, engage with your audience. Interact with them on social media, respond to their comments and questions, create engaging content that sparks conversation. Building a genuine connection with your audience will not only help you understand their needs better, but it will also help foster brand loyalty. Remember, finding your ideal audience is an ongoing process. Continuously analyze data, adjust your strategies, and stay tuned to the ever-evolving needs of your target market. Thanks for watching the video. If you found these expert tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content to help grow your business. Step 2. Choose the right platforms. Research the social media platforms that best suit your business. Step 3. Create a compelling brand identity. Design a consistent brand image, including your logo, color scheme, and messaging. Step 4. Develop a content strategy. Plan engaging and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Utilize different formats like text, images, videos, and live streaming to keep your content fresh and interesting. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. Foster a sense of community by initiating conversations, polls, and contests. Step 6. Leverage social media analytics. Use the insights provided by social media analytics tools to understand your audience's behavior and preferences. Optimize your content accordingly to maximize engagement and reach. Step 7. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to expand your reach and gain credibility. Remember, it takes time and effort to succeed on social media. Be consistent, authentic, and always deliver value to your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. Good luck on your social media journey.